Africa is the world's second largest and second most populous continent, with over 1 billion people in 61 territories. Its topography and climate ranges from deserts in the north to mountainous jungles in the central, and even more diverse as one moves further towards the south. It is this vastness and diversity that makes traveling and cross-border trade, whether by road, rail, and even by air, a key area of focus. In this regard, most countries across Africa are collaborating with various development partners to integrate and simplify transport infrastructure in Africa. At TICAD, the Japanese government committed to extend its support to the new Partnership for Africa's Development, NEPAD, and proposed a 3-pronged support for African development, particularly the human-centered development, poverty reduction through economic growth, and peace building. Aligned to this, the Japanese International Cooperation Agency, JICA, in collaboration with the East African Customs Administrations, initialized a project to develop capacity on operations of a one-stop border post. The project's overriding goals are to ensure appropriate knowledge to operate the OSBP is acquired by the customs officers of respective customs administrations and stakeholders involved. The customs administration's institutional capacity is improved in regard to securing our borders. One-stop border post is a newly emerging concept mainly for the purpose of facilitating easy movement of goods and people at a land border, particularly in sub-Saharan nations. This is one of the integrated land border management systems where customs and other government agencies of the neighboring countries work in the same office. The concept allows parties involved in trade and transport to process all the necessary procedures at a single point before passing through the land border. Japan International Cooperation Agency formulated a project on capacity development for customs administrations in the region in September 2007, whose primary aim is to develop OSBP operational systems to maximize its benefit. The project has developed the first version of OSBP model operational system, which mainly consists of Pillar 1, concurrent processing for all necessary cargo clearance procedure. Pillar 2, immediate release upon arrival to pre-clearance of cargo. Pillar 3, management by takt time to allow optimal distribution of workloads. On full implementation, we expect to shorten the cargo clearance time from 2 to 3 days to 2 hours. This will further be enhanced when the construction of the OSBP facility is completed. Real-time monitoring systems, RTMS, has been developed to support the first pillar, which is concurrent processing. The system allows 1. Real-time information sharing of the declarations amongst the border agencies and clearing agents. 2. Immediate release upon arrival for low-risk cargo, for example, authorized economic operators. 3. Retrieval of clearance results by border agencies on specific cargo declarations. 4. Scheduling of joint inspections of cargo. 5. Control of temporary exportation and importation of motor vehicles. 6. Viewing cargo clearance status through dashboards SMS functionality, and mobile phones from any remote location. To further ensure sustenance implementation of OSBP, JICA has supported the following initiatives. 1. Design and prototyping of the OSBP facility. 2. Construction of the OSBP facilities at Namanga and Rusumo borders. 3. Development of the OSBP sourcebook in association with the EAC. The sourcebook is now a general reference tool in Africa for implementation of the OSBP. 4. Capacity development of staff through the Master Trainers Program and clearing agents through various trainings and development of an accreditation program. 5. Provision of servers, internet connectivity, computers, backup power. 6. User training and support. 7. Sensitization meetings on the RTMS/CCS in Dar es Salaam, Nairobi, and Namanga. Through the leaps and bounds, the RTMS/CCS system piloting commenced at Namanga border in October 2012. The pilot phase has brought a great success with numerous tangible benefits for the border agencies as well as the clearing agents. As a result of the successful pilot at Namanga, the system will be rolled out at the following border stations: Malaba, Kenya and Uganda; Busia, Kenya and Uganda; Taveta/Holili, Kenya and Tanzania; Isebania/Sirari, Kenya and Tanzania; Mutukula, Tanzania and Uganda; Kobero/Kabanga, Burundi/Tanzania; Tunduma/Nakonde, Tanzania/Zambia.
Mungu twaomba uilinde Jumuiya Afrika Mashariki, tuwezeshe kuishi kwa amani, tutimize na malengo yetu. Jumuiya yetu sote tuilinde, tuajibike, tuimarike, umoja wetu ni nguzo yetu.